Hey, Jack, can you hand me that red one on the top shelf? No, 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 not the green one, the red one. Hey, Barbara, can you hand me the violet one under the blue one? No, the violet one under the blue one. These are questions that we have to ask all the time. Wouldn't it be nice to know the colors in Espanol? What's your favorite color? Vámonos. Hola, damas y caballeros, y bienvenidos a día número 4. Soy Profe Don Omar, and we're in day 4 of the 30 for 30 challenge. We're talking about 30 Spanish classes in 30 days, and right now we are getting ready to jump into los colores. Los colores. So let's go ahead and take a look at these right now. Los colores, the Spanish edition, right? Here we go. First and foremost, I've got a question. Yo tengo una pregunta. Yo tengo una pregunta para ustedes. I've got a question for you all. ¿De qué color es? Repitan, por favor. ¿De qué color es? ¿De qué color es? ¿Y qué significa esta pregunta en inglés? What does this question mean in English? ¿De qué color es? You might be able to guess this. It's actually, what color is, and then the item. ¿De qué color es? All right, so aquí tenemos una alerta. Always remember to match number and gender. If you've been with me before, you've heard this phrase. And so if you haven't heard it, I'm going to put a little ticker there to alert you to the video that you need to watch. Aquí tenemos el primer color. We've got the first color. Rojo. Rojo. Or roja. So I know you're looking at the screen and you're like, my man, Profe Don Omar, you've got an @ on ampersand at the end of the word. Yes, I do that for this reason and this reason alone. I do not like to write too many words on the screen. So what this is rojo with an O, as you trace the O, right? O. And it can also be an A. And so that's where that phrase, always remember to match number and gender, bars, I came up with that. Vamos a continuar. Este color es blanco, blanca, blanco, blanca, white. All right, white. Y aquí tenemos blue, en español, azul. Repiten, por favor, azul. Y aquí tenemos black. Negro, negra. Negro, negra. Not to be confused with Negro. That's going to actually be British English. All right. We are talking about Spanish here. Negro or negra is the pronunciation that we need. Black. Aquí tenemos green en español. Verde. Verde. Y aquí tenemos amarillo. Yellow. Amarillo. Amarilla. Okay. Brown. In Espanol, café. We've got an asterisk here, ladies and gentlemen, only because there are multiple ways to say brown in Espanol. Café is probably one of the easiest ones to remember. All right. There is another one called marrón. All right. Marrón. M-A-R-R-O-N. But I like using café because it's easy for a beginner to remember. Café. You think about café, right? Purple. Aquí tenemos morado o morada. Morado, morada. Y aquí tenemos orange, anaranjado, anaranjada. All you need to do is basically break it down by syllable. Anaranjado, anaranjada. All right, break it down like that and then put that sandwich together. Anaranjado, anaranjada. All right, just keep practicing on that one. You'll definitely get it. Y aquí tenemos gray. Here we have gray. En español, gris. Gris. El último color es pink. En español, rosado. Rosada. Rosado. Rosada. Ok, damas y caballeros, tenemos otra fórmula que necesitamos. We have another formula that we need here. Check it out. And it's the formula you already know for the pregunta, for the question. ¿De qué color es? That's the formula. Of course, I need a question mark on that es. ¿De qué color es? ¿De qué color es blank? Actually, we'll put a item and then the question mark after the word es. Here is the way you can respond to it. Tenemos tres opciones. We've got three options here. All right, so make sure you pay attention to how we place this. The first way that we can answer this particular question is by saying the blank, el or la, blank, whatever the item is, the word es, and then el color. Por ejemplo, la pluma es negra. The pen is black. El lapicero es negro. The pen is black. I know. Don't worry about it. Take it with a grain of salt. Just pick one that you like. Lapicero, bolígrafo, poli, pluma. It's got like those words. Use which one you like. And then you would simply use el or la depending on the gender of the item. El bolígrafo, right? The pen. La pluma, the pen. All right, here's another way that you can answer it. ¿De qué color es la pluma? Es de color negra. Right? If somebody says, ¿de qué color es la pluma? What color is the pen? Es de color negra. It's of the color black, basically, is what you're saying there. Let's try it again. ¿De qué color es la pluma? Es negra. I guarantee you a lot of people would like that answer choice, and it's a popular decision. You're answering the question, right? It's a complete sentence. So, hey, if you like it, use it. Okay, aquí tenemos un ejemplo. Here we have an example. ¿De qué color es el carro? ¿De qué color es el carro? I'll give you like one guess. You should be able to figure out what carro is in English. ¿De qué color es el carro? El carro. All right. Now, notice I've color coded the L and the O. This is telling us our gender. It is masculine. It is also telling us the number. It is singular, right? So now we know we need a singular masculine color to tell us what the car is. Let's take a look. El carro es morado. Bars. El carro es morado. All right. So hopefully you would be able to read that sentence and tell us, hey, the car is purple, right? Es de color morado. This was the second option we showed you, right? Es de color morado. It's of the color purple. Third choice. ¿De qué color es el carro? Es morado. So that works either way. Whichever of those three choices you want to use, definitely use those. Okay, damas y caballeros, aquí tenemos práctica número 1A. We've got practice number 1A. Here is your question. ¿De qué color es tu casa? Remember, pause the screen and give your answer for that. ¿De qué color es tu casa? Now, once you have your answer written, obviously, we're all not going to have the same color house. I want you to put your answer in the comment section below so that we know what your color house is. Now, of course, we're doing this just for an example. So give us an example color, right? ¿De qué color es tu casa? Y aquí tenemos práctica 1B. Match the color with the correct word. I've added in an extra color here, ladies and gentlemen, just, for ish and giggles. Match the color to the correct number over here. Okay. Tenemos anaranjada, azul, rosada, verde, amarilla, right? Match up the colors with the boxes, the letters there, and then paste your answers in the comment section below as well for this one. Hit pause, go ahead and figure out your answers, and then come back and add those in the comment section. All right, damas y caballeros, aquí tenemos doble del día, damas y caballeros, the daily double is here. Once again, soy Profe Don Omar. This is Habla Conmigo TV. And if you're joining us for the first time, we want to thank you for joining us here in our series of 30 for 30. And we have our daily double question here. ¿De qué color es la bandera de la República Dominicana? La bandera is flag, ladies and gentlemen. ¿De qué color es la bandera de la República Dominicana? You might be asking, what is la República Dominicana? That's going to be the Dominican Republic. So now you should be able to figure out this question. Remember, I told you that La Bandera is flag and La República Dominicana is going to be Dominican Republic. Ladies and gentlemen, if you liked the information that we gave you today and you're picking up what I'm putting down, make sure you give us a like there, ladies and gentlemen, so that we know you're understanding the content that we're providing for you. Soy Profe Don Omar. Nos vemos.